Good morning, grade 4. Our lesson for today is about adjectives in series. Adjectives describe or modify and add meaning to the noun or pronouns. Sometimes, adjectives can appear in a series paired with another adjective. When two adjectives are paired together, you may need to use a comma to separate them depending on their likeness. Examples of adjectives in series: many colorful, mouth-watering food stands, more exciting and complex still rides, wonderful and memorable time, fun-loving and adventurous park growers. Take note that all colored white are all adjectives in series. Adjectives in series are called noun phrases, a combination of a series of adjectives and the head word. Adjectives usually come before the nouns they modify, and the head words are simply the primary nouns of the phrase. When several adjectives are used to describe the same nouns, they follow a particular order. They are determiner, quantity, quality, size, age, shape, color, nationality, material, and noun. Let us study the entire table below to allow you to understand the use of adjectives in our examples. Number 1. A beautiful old Filipino wooden house. A, determiner, beautiful, the quality, the old, age, the Filipino nationality, the material, wooden, and the noun, house. Number 2, the dozen long-stemmed red silk roses. The determiner, quantity, dozen, quality, long-stemmed, color, red, material, silk, and noun, roses. Number 3, the 3 unique little gold plates. The determiner, the, quantity, 3, quality, unique, shape, little, color, gold, and noun, plates. The use of adjectives in a series may require the use of commas. Here are some reminders in comma use when using more than one adjective in a sentence. Number 1. Do not place a comma between the head word and another noun that modifies it. Example: we bought some canned good food, not canned good food. Again, the correct sentence: we bought some canned good food. Number 2, do not place a comma between an adjective and the adverb that modifies it. Example: she is wearing a very elegant necklace. Not very, comma, elegant. Again, the correct sentence is: she is wearing a very elegant necklace. Number 3, place a comma between adjectives when it is possible to join them with and. Examples. Number 1. The beggar wore a tattered and old dress, using and. Number 2. The beggar wore a tattered, comma, old dress. This when using a comma. That's all for today, grade 4. Thank you for listening and God bless you. See you again next time.